Oh hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video we're going to be making cow foot soup. This is very simple because all we need to do is just have the cow foot already chopped into manageable pieces, some vegetables, and a pot or a pressure cooker like I'm going to be doing today. So usually people say it really takes a lot of time to cook this particular thing, but I think if you have gadgets like this one, pressure cooker, it can ease the work and cut down the time you're going to be spending cooking that by one thing. So we have this about 5 cup capacity non-stick pan in the pressure cooker that we're going to be using to cook our cow foot, and that is how the pressure cooker looks. I am showing you inside to make sure I mention that you never put water inside your pressure cooker, because it has a provision on the outside where water actually goes in case there are spillovers, and it goes into that particular white section. So this particular pressure cooker is for power. It uses current. We have to use a power cable, unlike the rest. So this is a cow foot I was telling you about we're going to be making, in case it's your first time to see it, or you've never seen this, or you've never tasted it. I just wish you could, because this is like one of the most delicious things. Gives you energy instantly, like there and then you back up. Let's say you have joint pains. This should be like your daily meal. Anyway, all we need is some vegetables, onions, carrots, green capsicum, some salt, a cup of water, and chopped tomatoes. So we're just going to put everything into the pressure cooker, just like that. Put everything there. Don't put oil, because we just need it in its most raw, most organic, most plain form. So we just put in the vegetables and everything, the salt, and then add in about 1.5 cups of water. It depends on how much water you want there, or how much soup you want to make. If you just want to make broth for keeping, you can add in a little more water. If you just want to make soup for maybe direct consumption, just eat that day and finish for the whole family, you just add in little water. And now this pressure cooker gives us options on what we are going to cook. So we are just going to press the tendon button on this one, because it also is hard, because if you're using the traditional ways of cooking this, it will take you about 2 hours to get it ready. But this one, you will see. So you make sure the pressure valve is on seal, not exhaust, so that you're able to contain the pressure. So we press the button and it gives us 30 minutes, you guys. 30 minutes, only 30 minutes. Let's see how it looks like in 30 minutes. So it has counted down, and it's now it's done and on keep warm, like it's keeping the food warm until you come. So just release the pressure and see. This is all the vapor that was able to release, and like I told you, see, it's draining down. So you just have to clean everywhere else, but not inside. And once the pressure is all done and out, we're just going to twist this and then open it. This also has a safety measure, because if it still has pressure, then you will not be able to open it. It also protects you from being burnt by steam. You guys, look at that. Like, it's really looking so soft, and the broth has formed. The soup looks tasty. I don't know how to explain this one to someone who has never tried this one at home. I know maybe someone doesn't have a pressure cooker, but you can have a charcoal stove and maybe a clay pot, or any pot you're going to be using. Just put it there. Just keep on adding the charcoal until it's cooked through and soft and tender. But if you do have a pressure cooker like this, just 30 minutes and you're good to go. So we are going to serve this one, and most times we enjoy the soup plain. We don't really like eating it with anything, because this is where all the energy comes from. You have this, you're good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching up until this time. I hope to see you soon in my next video. However, don't forget to check out the description box for some of the benefits of this cow foot stew. Bye.